Hello everybody, today we are going to see about Erba Mannheim's Creatinine Enzymatic kit. So you can see that the catalog number of LIQUIXX Creatinine Enzymatic kit is 122136. You can find it here. So this kit is also certified. It needs to be stored between 2 and 8 degrees Celsius. This kit has a standard expiry of 1 year. So the contents of the kit is, it contains 2 reagents of creatinine enzymatic of 3 into 25 ml volume and 1 into 25 ml volume. It also has a creatinine standard of concentration 2 mg per dl of 1 into 5 ml volume. So this is the side view of the kit. So this is the front and the top side view of the kit. And this kit is compatible with all Erba analyzers. So to summarize things up, so this is the Erba Mannheim's LIQUIXX Creatinine Enzymatic kit. The catalog number for the kit is 122136. The pack size for it is 3 into 25 and 1 into 25 ml. The kit contains 3 items: creatinine enzymatic reagent of 3 into 25 ml volume, creatinine enzymatic reagent of 1 into 25 ml volume, and a creatinine standard of concentration 2 mg per dl of 1 into 5 ml volume. It has a standard expiry of 1 year. It is C certified and it needs to be stored between 2 and 8 degrees Celsius. So this is about the creatinine enzymatic kit. Thank you.